So I'm just like, you know what? I want something different. And like we've also talked that in the past, when you're doing voiceovers and stuff, if you can stand up, it's
It
you
is
don't
nice.
you don't get as tired,
Yes. Yeah.
right? And part of this job requires being at the computer for long periods of time. Being able to
Mm-hmm.
stand up every once in a while, stretch legs would be nice. So I was like, all right, how do I make like an interesting YouTube video about it? And I'm like, you know what? F it. Just buy one of these sit stand leg thingies, throw a top together, move on with your life.
Okay. So not making content out of it. It's just okay. Cool.
No.
Now, but what are you going to do with all the stuff that's in the drawers?
Truthfully, I went through it. A lot of it I don't need.
Don't need. Yeah. Just toss it out.
It's just crap. You
Yeah.
know? But I've decided I'm going to make like a big. I don't know. It's probably going to be like a 6-7 foot long desk. Like I want it to be like, yeah, I want it to be a pretty good size.
Mega desk.
But then on the underside, I'm going to make like little cradles. So think little like, if you got a little box or something, you put some like little cradles underneath of it.
Mm-hmm.
So that like that's where I'm going to put my laptop on these little cradles, so I can slide it underneath, plug it in.
Mm-hmm.
So you have the ability to reach all the sides of it, but it's kind of like suspended underneath the desk.
That's cool.
So everything on the top is nice and like out of the way and clean, but then I still have access to everything. So like I'm going to put like even my like label printer for orders is going to be under there. So like it just like pops out and boom, it's like right at the front of my desk and stuff like that.
Okay. So are these going to be like sliding cradles? Like is it going to be like a drawer that comes out, or is it just going to be single item slotted in?
I haven't fully thought through that yet.
Okay.
I considered the drawer aspect. But that almost might be, I'm almost thinking that potentially can overcomplicate things.
It could, and also
but I don't know.
I'm looking at the legs behind you. The way those sit-stand desks, the raisey-lowery ones work, is there's like a ladder frame that goes on the bottom of the desk.
Yeah.
So you would have to make something that would either hang below that, I guess.
Uh-huh.
You know what I mean? Because otherwise, like if you try and do a drawer, it's just going to smash right into the frame.
Exactly. Unless I did it on like the outer flanks, right?
On the wings, yeah.
Let's see here. Oh, look at this. I could make the desk extend out this way a little bit and then put the drawer like right here. I don't know. Yeah, this. You get it. I can't.
Yeah.
I can't try to deal with all that over my shoulders and stuff. Definitely thinking about that. But dude, I'm shocked.
So it's a little bit of a work in progress though.
Yeah, still a work in progress. Right now, I milled down some lumber for the top. Got to let it acclimate a little bit and glue it all up. And then I'm just going to slap the tabletop together. And then anything that I want to attach to it, I'm just going to screw to the bottom. I don't need to, do wood glue and all this stuff, because then if I change my mind, I'll never be able to take it off.